How to change the return policy on Shopify. Hey beauty people, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can change your return policy on Shopify. So before get started, if you're new here, please consider to subscribe my channel and like the video. So first log into your Shopify admin panel and then on the bottom left corner click on settings. Now click on policy. Now on the top here you will see return rules. So go to manage. Now here you will see return window. You can make it 14 day or 19 day. Return shipping cost. You can make your return shipping cost free or flat rate or make custom. Restocking fee. You can charge restocking fee like 5% or 10%. Final sell item. You can choose specific collection or you can choose specific product. After that click on save and then it will be automatically changed to your return policy on your Shopify store. And there you go. So that's how you can change that. Hope that this video helped you out. If you found this helpful, please consider to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.